Moo on the farm. A donkey can hear things miles away thanks to its long ears. A donkey is also very strong and can carry heavy loads. A rooster is a male, adult chicken. Early each morning, a rooster crows loudly. His call tells everyone on the farm it's time to start their day. Sheep have thick, woolly coats called fleece. Most sheep get their fleece cut once a year. Baby sheep are called lambs. Pigs roll in mud to cool off because they don't sweat much. They are usually very clean. A pig has a good sense of smell. It uses its nose, called a snout, to sniff the air or root in the dirt for food. Mice nibble hay, seeds, berries, grains, plants, and more. There is so much on a farm for mice to eat. A cow spends about 6 hours a day eating grass, hay, grain, and more. This cow and her calf stay close together in the field. In about 2 years, the calf will be all grown up. A duck lays up to 12 eggs at one time. Ducklings can waddle and swim when they are just 1 day old. A horse and her baby, called a foal, walk in the field after a gallop. They are ready to eat some hay and carrots. Chicks hatch after about 3 weeks. In just 12 weeks, they will be the size of adult chickens. Most male and female goats have horns on their heads and beards on their chins. Look at the cute little horns on this baby goat called a kid.